Hi everyone and welcome back. My name is Jocelyn and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you guys how we did our wood stove in our single wide mobile home. I want to clarify that me and my husband are not professionals in installing wood stoves, on any circumstance. But if you or someone you know is wondering about how to install a wood stove or is interested for your home, definitely please do your research before starting any major project like this, because you're dealing with fire and it is very dangerous. So I just wanted to put that out there. Yeah, definitely do research and get in contact with somebody that knows what they're doing. You guys are wondering what this is and what step or what we're doing. We are doing the base for the hearth, and the hearth is what is underneath the wood stove, which acts like a fire resistant barrier between the bottom of the floor to your wood stove. And that's what we're doing here. We have our wonder board that we're going to cut as in the same size as our frame, and so we can start to apply our tile. Every single project we have here in our mobile home, it's basically we learn as we go. So as being first-time homeowners, there's a lot of mistakes you do and a lot of things you learn. So that's kind of what we do every single time we do something. But definitely this was a first for us. It was a little adventure and we learned and we went along, and I think we did really good for our first time. But yeah, I think it was awesome, and my whole family's background is construction, so it's kind of interesting to see their insight and how things are done. And yeah, if you guys have any questions or anything, there's so many sources. YouTube is like a huge learning university, from professionals that upload to same contractors and stuff like that. But if you guys definitely want a more detailed video, then I suggest you look at a source to learn. But yeah, definitely you can go to Home Depot and ask around and just read the labels, read everything, and kind of learn as you go. While filming this video, I definitely noticed, I'm like, oh my god, I have so many spider webs on the ceiling that I have not cleaned, and it was so embarrassing. But I got it with the vacuum. But yeah, it gave me a chance to kind of really look up and see, like, oh my gosh. So I'm so sorry. This part where he was kind of cutting away on the ceiling, I totally forgot to aim the camera, so I really apologize for that. But I did manage to get myself cleaning all the mess up. But yeah, we just cut a hole on, and then we put this box piece up here, kind of fit it through, made sure that it was snug. And he climbed up on top of the roof. I was not going on top of the roof. I'm sorry, not for you, not for anybody else, because once I'm up there, I probably can't get down. So I just made sure that I saved my butt down here. I already see so many memories happening in front of this fireplace. Definitely lots of cozy nights this winter. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a big thumbs up if you guys enjoyed this video. And don't forget, every week I have a brand new video for you guys.